In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the overlay cutout feature in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video clip and the overlay image or video you want to use by clicking on the import button and adding it to the track. Place the overlay video above the base video layer. To match the video's duration, let's cut the excess layer of the base video using the split tool. To use the overlay cutout feature, click on the overlay clip on the timeline to select it. Go to the toolbar and select Remove Background feature. Click the Auto Removal button, which automatically removes the background of your video, leaving only the subject. Once the auto removal is applied, you'll see the background of your overlay has been removed. Now, let's position and resize the overlay. Click on the overlay in the previous screen and drag it to your desired location. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. For added creativity, you can also apply filters or effects. Go to the Filters option, select your desired filter, and apply it to your video. This can enhance the overall look of your project. Once you're done, playback your video to see the overlay cutout effect in action. Once you're satisfied with your overlay cutout effect, click the export button to save your video. And that's it! You've successfully used the overlay cutout feature in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!